Gazza, you're on your first perch, little man. Hey, what you doing there? That's it. How's that feel? Gaz? Oh, he's so little. Yeah, that's it. Flap those wings. Atta boy. Come on. Come on, Gaz. Oh, aren't you gorgeous? Little Gazza? Hey? 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 Gaz. She's pretty. She's pretty. Hey. Gaz. Come on, stretch those wings out, mate. Stretch those wings out.
Let's go.
We're going to the bird shop. Get you some more food today. Gazza. Wah. Does that sound like your mama? Does that sound like your mama? Gazza? Aren't she gorgeous? Gaz. Show everyone your big blue eyes. Oh, you're so beautiful, aren't you, darling? Aren't you? Yeah, you are. Hey? Hey? That's it. That's it. Come on, sharpen your beak. That's it. Hey? Little Gaz? Gaz? Gazza? That's it, flap those wings. Look. Yeah, that a boy. Come on, flap. Is he?
I think so.
Come on, Gaz. He wants to come sit on my shoulder. Look at him.
Yeah.
He does. So he wants to be with us. Look. That's a boy, that's it. Atta boy.
I ain't gonna go shit.
Good boy.